Got an ARE contractor unit, DCU. Fits the 05 to 15 Tacoma short bed, 6-foot bed, 20-inch tall, so it's cab high. It's a heavy-duty contractor unit. Now this unit is technically new. It's never been installed on anything, but it has to be sold as used, as it came from a different dealer. So this is a used unit that is new, never been installed. It looks like it was prepped for a vehicle. It had was prepped to get a rack or something bolted onto the top of here, and they've just sealed up the bolts and left those in there. The top has no dents at all in it, no scratches. The side is really good. This is charcoal gray color. I'm not sure how well the color is showing up. It's getting kind of dark on me here. The locks haven't even been keyed to the vehicle yet. It's probably a misorder, would be my guess. Something was wrong with it. They prepped it for the vehicle, and it's probably the wrong bed size. That usually happens. Side doors, T-handle twist, opens up like this. This one has shelves in it, toolboxes with shelves, and a center divider. So it's a little bit of dirt in there, but it does have the center divider in there with the shelves, and then it is skinned on the inside of the door so that you don't get whatever falls against here doesn't dent and then dent the outside of here. So it's got a double layer of skin to keep it from denting the doors. The front door is a picture window with a security mesh in it, so if anything falls over, it won't go through the glass. Same thing on this. There's no damage on this top at all. Like I said, other than those holes in the center where they bolted something or got ready to bolt something on there. Top edge is really nice, no dents, no scratches. Good looking unit. No damage on the sides here. This door twist open. And this one opens straight into the bed. So it opens, you can put your tools right in and lay them right into the truck bed. There's no toolboxes on this side. Same thing, this door is skinned as well as the other side. The back door is a full back door, double door. So you take the tailgate off, it goes in there. Has windows that are security screened, keep people from breaking through and stuff from falling through there. They break through the glass here, you can't get in. Well, you eventually, I mean, anybody can get in anything, but the idea is to keep people out. Open the doors up, you can see the security mesh in there. Inside doors are skinned. These doors are skinned as well. The back doors are skinned. Security mesh in the front window. Toolboxes. It has a prop switch that opens turns the lights on. The dome lights on in here. Right there's the dome light. This opens when you open the door up. It turns the dome light on. There it is. Built for specifically for a 14 Tacoma double cab short bed. It's 20-inch tall. This one's skinned on this side. It has the security screen on here. Doesn't really. I was looking to see color code, but the color code is not legible on here anymore. So the locks, like I said, the locks haven't even been keyed to the vehicle yet, so we'll look in here. I don't even know if there was dome lights inside the door here. Oh, no, there was not. Dome lights were only on the back there. Close that. So there it is, cab high, aluminum DCU by ARE. It's a full back door, tailgate removal. Fits the 05 to 15 Tacoma with the 6-foot bed. charcoal gray. The link below, if you're want some more information on it, the link below will tell you where it's at, what location it's at, how much it is, information like that. There's also a link to our website, so you're looking for any type of repair parts for truck caps and step bars and other stuff like that. We have that on our website as well. Cap tape, clamps, brake lights, what have you. Check on that. Thanks for watching.